Thank you very much. We do this vlogging, guys, because after 1 year, we have to go home because we're living in Bahrain. So, if ever in God's will, we will go home. We buy tickets for our 2 cats and 1 dog, Chuchay. Because the tickets for dogs and cats little bit expensive going home. And so that's why thank you so much for supporting our vlogs, supporting our videos. So after 1 year, we go home together. We buy tickets for Chuchay for our 2 cats. Let's let's go, Chuchay.